Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today I have for you unboxing video. Additional equipment for the shop. Hydraulic transmission jack stand. I have purchased this unit from company which is here in California and their name is BendPak. I got a lighting fast delivery. I think it came in 2 days, and unfortunately it's sitting here and that entire time because I was so busy with repairs and filming for you videos, and I had no time to deal with unbox and assembly. I will finally remove my documents which are in this envelope. Let's get rid of these 2 straps. I assume the next I should continue with this top lid. I don't have any carpentry tools here, but hopefully this upholstery and door panel special tool is strong enough to take it apart. Definitely like a little boy in the candy store. This is absolutely awesome. Okay, I think it's loose. Wow! Here is a quick look inside for everybody. And let's start pulling the components which are free. So here is a box with who knows what, probably bolts and so on. This rattled. And I think the next step, logical step, will be to free these arms, which are for the casters, for the wheels. And I think they are held here by these hidden bolts and nuts. Metric 17mm nut. Okay, that was easy to remove. It amazes me they still didn't figure out how to pack it. It has beautiful paint, but it's rubbed through to the bare metal right here because it was rubbing on another part in the box. That's a pity. Let's see how is the second one. I hope there will be no more scratches on that gorgeous paint. This is the holding bolt. How is this one? Oh yeah, I see nothing. So this is great news. There was some little rubbing, but the paint is not damaged at all. I have found inside in the Ziploc Ranger 1-ton transmission jack model RTJ-1 installation and operation manual. I see on the very bottom the side plates for, can I call it top plate? I should be able to pull out the top adjustable plate where the transmission actually will be sitting. So this is the bottom, it's upside down. Wow, very sturdy, heavy duty metal. And that means that the remaining part, the heaviest part, is that hydraulic cylinder itself. I love it. Let's go back to the table and start assembly of that bottom part. I will follow assembly instructions. Here is setup, bleeding air from the system. What is really important here is that parts breakdown for the future when you need to replace something with the numbers. Here you can see what was in that box: casters, plates, tool and bag with a chain and all kinds of bolts and nuts. Now the instruction says install these bolts. There are 2 sizes, and keep these ones slightly loose. I will be definitely, when it will be all fitted, I will try to put the blue thread locker on those. The next step is to install all 4 casters. So here they are, and they're supposed to be tightened with 17mm wrench. Here we go. Now I need to place that cylinder assembly on the leg assembly and use 3 bolts which are there to connect them together. It's pretty heavy, so I'm being careful. That's why these bolts were left loose on the bottom, obviously. These are the big ones. Big fellas. Yep, coming in nicely. Now I will, and after tightening these 3 big ones, only after that I'm supposed to go back under for these 3 bolts which are there. Time for that blue thread locker. I will go ahead and attach this handle. I think I have to back out these screws. It seems to be number 4 hex. Happening. It doesn't really want to go in, because if you see the angle, the tips are coming towards to each other instead of going the same direction. That will unfortunately damage the paint, but what are you gonna do? I want to have it perfect straight and not running the wrong way. The other one, it's a soft metal, so it's not difficult to do this. Let's see what improvement I have achieved. Oh, that should go really good. Let's see. Oh yeah, you should see it perfectly, both of them straight down. Excellent. Now everything fits together perfectly. I love it. Let's go and bring that gigantic head. Nice heavy duty item. Oh yeah. And this is, my friend, as you can imagine, fully adjustable. So obviously you don't want that tranny to slip off, so you have both directions adjustment. Yeah, as I know it from my previous jack, which was basically identical item, except it was very old and I needed new one, that's for sure. To prevent the plate from jumping up and off the shaft, there is a bolt which needs to be tightened. Here are these side brackets which are adjustable in these channels. So the big bolts regarding to the manual. Now it has these movable corner brackets. So there are 4 of them on each corner. Here are the parts to attach the chains to hold down that transmission. here are the hooks for the chains. And I'm just showing it to you. We don't use that generally. Everybody will use the ratchet and the strap, which is a way better method than using the rigid chain. So I just want to show you it's part of it, so you can imagine it, right? You can hook it here, whatever the distance you have here, and then you can adjust even this pull on it, so it will securely hold down the transmission body. As I said, I will take it off for myself. I don't want to use it. What is way more important is the setup of the hydraulic system. So they say the oil is inside already. If you want to use it first time, press the release pedal so it sits all the way down. After that they say operate the foot pump, which is the big one. 8 full strokes to distribute the oil. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can see it's nicely coming. They warn here it might be spongy, so there is a bleeding air procedure, but that's not the part of this setup, definitely not. This is ready for the 2007 Tacoma. Let's see how easy it will move. My old one, even without the load, the casters were really bad, so it didn't really want to move. This, as you can see, and I could use this handle to help myself. This moves totally easy. Everything is brand new. I absolutely love it. That's awesome. I hope you have enjoyed this simple video about unpacking and setup. If you like it, please give a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.